Hey everybody, this is Thrash and Thrash Metal Homebrew and Barbecue. Last night I received a beer mail from Mr. John Anile from the big state of Georgia, and he sent me 9 beers, and I'm going to go ahead and do the unwrapping. I've done the unboxing, but now it's time to do the unwrapping of the beers, so let's get to it. Alright everybody, in no particular order, we're going to go ahead and get these open here. I'm getting myself something to open them with. Got a pair of skizzers. Actually, let me get a X-Acto blade. Whoa. Okay. And thank you again to Mr. John Anile for the beer mail. You'll be getting some from me, my friend. Oh, let's take a peek. Woohoo! And we're gonna put the bubble wrap wherever. Oh yeah, Lord Grey. Lord Grey. Let me put my specs on so I can read. I don't have my glasses down here, so. And Earl Grey Tea Sour Ale. So, three taverns draft beers. This is sour. He knows I like sours. It's got 5% alcohol by volume, so that's that one. Next one. And one thing I liked about John sending us, he put little stickers on it. Sweet, because it's the Christmas season, man. So, let's see what we got here. Ooh. This one is Lion Creek Brewing Company. This is the Meller Feller. It's a vanilla and pistachio porter. Oh, interesting. 26 IBUs, 12 fluid ounces, 5.5% alcohol. Smooth, toasty, chocolate, and nutty. So it's got the color, bitter, finish, and body info on here as well. So take a look at that. Oh, I can't wait to get into these. I gotta cool them off first. Alright, next one. It's Christmas. Thank you, John. Let's see what you got. This one. And this one, he put the sticker, gimme. Alright. Enchantress. This is another, this one's a cranberry sauce sour ale, so interesting. Again, 3 Taverns Brewery. This one is 5% alcohol by volume. I love the artwork. Isn't that great? Awesome. Oh, look. Oh. So merry, it says. And this one's another one from 3 Taverns. It is Rapturous. Yeah. This one's a raspberry sour ale. Man, these are gonna be good. I love sours. They're awesome. This one comes in at 5% alcohol by volume, unfiltered. Nice. I love the artwork on it. Takes a lot of time to do that artwork, I'll bet. Right, people, we're halfway through now. That one blew up. Oh no, it blew up! John, it blew up! Oh, and it's dark now, too. Take luck above my lights. It blew up! No cussing. Dang it. Alright, hold on. I'm going to have to drink that, because I'm not letting that go to waste. Dude. That just, like, blew. Maybe my X-Acto blade hit it. I don't know. Fuck. Damn it. Sorry, John. Damn it. I'll be a bit more careful. Oh yeah, I sliced right into that Oh, this is the fluffier otter. Alright. I gotta get a free glass here. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm a fuck up, man. I was just so excited. I'm just so fucking excited getting these beers. I should not cuss. I should not cuss. But this is reality TV, my friends. Man. John. Good news and bad news. One, the unboxing is going well. Number two, I sliced right into that damn thing, but I was able to save it. And it's pretty chilly down here too, so it's nice and cold. So while we're doing the unboxing, we're going to do a review of the fluffier otter. This is from... I can't even read. I'm so flustered, guys. That just totally sucks. So let me get my retro arcade fixture crapper up eyes on. Pontoon Brewing. I look like a dork. It's a milk stout with marshmallow, peanut butter, vanilla, and lactose. 9% alcohol by volume. 50 IBUs. Wow. Natural flavor. Hey, we're here. Hey. So, when I opened it, look at that, I sliced right through that damn thing. I had up on the wall. Sorry, dude. Yeah, let's do a review real quick. So, yeah, it's just chocolate marshmallow in the nose. Got some of the roast from the the stout itself. The roast, the malts, but. Had one hell of a head on it. Yeah, I love these types of stouts. These are real tasty stouts. They're like, when you're a kid and, you have the blah stuff the parents make you eat, like, broccoli and cauliflower and stuff. And then when you have dessert, something nice, sweet, marshmallowy, chocolatey goodness. It's going for a taste. This is reality TV, people. You spent money for this, or you didn't. I know you didn't. You paid your internet fee, yeah. It's got a good stout dryness on the tongue. Got that marshmallow, chocolatey sweetness all over your mouth. Awesome. That is a great beer. I'm all sticky. Made a mess on the floor. Oh, I'm so sorry, John. I wanted to do a proper one, but we got the other beers to go. And I'm going to take my time opening the last four. So we got 4 halfway through. Got a review. Really good. This is top rated. This is top notch. Awesome. Very cool. Just gotta clean myself up. Just it went all over my lights. Oh, good thing I didn't have the electronics over here at the time. Oh, that was fun. Anyway, that's good. And now back to the reveals of the beers. Cheers. I give this baby, I'm going to say a 97, 98 out of 100. Hell yeah. Pretty good. All right, here we go. Okay. We're going to remove... we're going to do a little cleanup too. Oh. Haven't had this much fun since being on call. Oh God, I'm on call. Alright, let's get this cleaned up. Alright. I'm a pig. I'm not really a pig. For a moment I was a pig. Okay, here we go. Alright, it says wrap it up. Sweet. Alright, we're gonna go through the first layer. Very gingerly. I'm an ass. Sorry, John. That beer's good though. Yum, yum, yum. You know, we only lost probably a quarter, no, maybe a third of it. That's it. So, no big loss. Oh shit. There's some more tape. Come on. Oh, I better be careful. There we go. I was just so excited. I was excited. Oh yeah. Down with the thickness. Yeah. Pontoon Brewing. Down with the thickness. Oh, what's this one? It's milk stout with hazelnut, chocolate, vanilla, and lactose. And is the ABV on here? I don't see it. Yeah, it's there. Let me get my binoculars on again. 9% alcohol by volume, 50 IBUs, 12 fluid ounces. Cheers. Okay, next one. Oh, it's got the abominable snowman in the car. This is the longest beer unveiling. Okay, so this one, oh yeah. Wild Leap Brewing Company, partners in crema. Coffee stout with cocoa and coconut. 10% ABV. There you go. You can read. Sweet. Yeah. He's been drinking this in front of me a lot. I'm really... Can't wait till I get a hold of that one. Drink it. So, be very careful. Okay. I don't know why I was such a dick and just sliced through that damn thing the way I did. So, the Decadent Mousse with chocolate and raspberries. Pontoon Brewing. Looks like they put out a lot of really good stuff. This one's 7% alcohol by volume. Nice. It's a mousse stout. So, yeah, chocolate and raspberries. Interesting. I can't wait to dive into that one either. And the last one, the reveal. I can just hear John. Holy fuck, man. Oh, Line Creek. Yep, he got me 2 of these. Mellerfellers Vanilla and Pistachio Porter. Here you go, 5.5. 26 IBUs. Nice. Yeah, so I am very happy. Let me turn the camera around. Alright, crazy peeps. What do you say? That actually turned out good because we got a review in the middle of an unboxing. So, I apologize for slicing through the beer, people. Yeah, I've been, it was just a little haste. No haste. So yeah, I can't wait. Get these cooled off and start and do proper reviews on them. John, thank you very much for the beers. I'm glad I got to taste one while I was doing it. So, yeah, high rated beer. This is a really good one. Cheers, everybody. And from the Mile High City, back to you. Remember, keep brewing. Keep doing what you're doing. Never stop homebrewing, never stop drinking brewskis. Craft beer rules. Kind of looks like grasshopper spit, doesn't it? That's some good stuff. Cheers, guys. We shall see you on the next one.